Have a to-do list that never seems to get shorter. You spend your days busy, answering emails, attending meetings, switching between tasks, but at the end of the day, you feel like you've got nothing meaningful done. What if the reason you're not productive isn't because you're lazy or because you need a better app? What if the entire way you think about productivity is wrong? Most productivity advice fails because it adds complexity. It gives you more systems to manage, more habits to track, more pressure to optimize every second of your day. It treats the symptom, not the cause. This guide is different. It's about subtraction, not addition. By the end of these 5 minutes, you will have a simple, practical framework to reclaim your focus and end your day feeling clear and accomplished, not just busy and tired. Here is the real problem, the one that makes everything feel so hard. We have been taught to confuse activity with progress. Your brain gets a small dopamine hit from checking a small, easy task off a list, answering an email, replying to a message. It feels productive. So you spend your day chasing these small, shallow tasks because it gives you the illusion of accomplishment. Meanwhile, the 1 or 2 projects that would actually move your life forward sit untouched. They feel too big, too intimidating. It's not your fault. You're not undisciplined. You've just been trained to focus on the wrong things. You're trying to empty the ocean with a teaspoon, when what you really need to do is ignore the ocean and focus on filling a single glass of water. The solution is to stop trying to manage everything and instead build a system that forces clarity. Here are 3 simple steps. Step 1. Define your one thing. Before you open your email, before you look at your phone, ask yourself this question. If I could only accomplish one thing today to feel successful, what would it be? Write that one thing down on a piece of paper, not a digital app, a physical piece of paper that sits on your desk all day. This is your compass. All other tasks are secondary. And here's the part nobody talks about. Productivity isn't about time management. It's about attention management. The modern world is designed to steal your attention. The entire productivity industry often just gives you more things to pay attention to. The real secret is not to do it all. You can't. The goal is to consciously choose the one thing that matters and give yourself permission to neglect what doesn't. That single decision is the foundation of all real progress.
Step 2. Create a container.
Your focus is finite. You can't be on all day, so don't try. Instead, create a container for your important work. This is a 90-minute non-negotiable block of time. No phone, no email notifications, no distractions. For 90 minutes, your only job is to work on your one thing. Just one container a day is enough to make more progress than 8 hours of distracted work.
Step 3. The clear to neutral.
The feeling of being overwhelmed comes from work that never ends. It bleeds into your evening, your sleep. So create a hard stop. At the end of your workday, take 5 minutes for a clear to neutral reset. Close all your browser tabs, tidy your physical desk, look at your one thing for tomorrow. This simple ritual sends a powerful signal to your brain. The work for today is done. It allows you to truly disconnect, so you can start tomorrow with a clear mind, not leftover anxiety. The weight you feel, the pressure to be constantly productive, constantly available, it's not real. It's a story we've been sold by a culture that glorifies burnout. Productivity isn't a mountain you have to climb every day. It's simpler. It's one important task, a quiet window of time to do it, and the permission to be done. That's it. That's the whole system. It's not about intensity, it's about intention. You don't need more willpower or a better app. You just need to decide what truly matters and let the rest go. Try it tomorrow, just one day. Define your one thing, protect your focus for a short time, and then let yourself be done. Notice how much lighter you feel. If this helped clear things up, consider subscribing for more practical ideas that actually work. No noise, just clarity.